You need organization. In this video, I'll show you how to clean things up so you're not guessing during sound check or scrambling while live. I'm Brent, and this is Audio Nerd. Have you ever found yourself mid-service flipping through all the layers trying to find that one channel? You're not alone. I've been there too. Today, we're going to fix that. I'm going to walk you through how to customize the labels for each channel on your Behringer X32. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference, especially if you have multiple volunteers or if you're trying to just stay focused during your live event. Let's jump in and get your board working for you, not against you. We'll get to how to customize each channel on the scribble strip in just a moment. Yes, it's called a scribble strip. First, let's go over why we want to customize it. Customizing it allows you to do a quicker ID of that channel. For example, you'll have, instead of channel 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll be able to label it to pastor's mic, guitar, vocal 1, vocal 2, things like that. It's especially helpful when you have multiple volunteers in rotation that help with your events. Let's look at the scribble strip itself. The scribble strip is this row of LED screens here that have different colors, names, and you can add icons like you can see here. This just helps you quicker identify what's going on that particular channel. So how exactly do we set up the scribble strip? First, we are going to want to press the setup button. Then we are going to press the page select to the right to get over to name and icon. Then we will use the knobs down below to switch to the channel we want to edit. In this example, we're going to choose channel 11. The next knob is the color knob. It allows you to change the color on the LED screen for that channel. Next to that, you have the icon menu. This will allow you to select a picture that can go in the scribble strip for that channel, allowing you another way to identify quickly what that channel is. To the right of that, we have the name selector. That will allow you to choose between preset names for a channel. On the far right here, we have the edit button. This will bring up this keyboard that will allow you to set a custom name for that particular channel. So whether it's so-and-so's guitar, drum, a vocalist's name, things like that. To save that, we're going to go and press the close button on the far left. As you can see, channel 11 is now labeled drum. Back at the name icon menu, you can see this invert button. It will allow you to invert the color, essentially just making it darker or lighter. Here are just a few tips I have for customizing the scribble strip. Make sure that you are consistent with your abbreviations throughout all your scenes. Let's say you have multiple services at your church and you have different scenes for each one because you have different styles of music or whatnot. Having the same abbreviations will make it easy for whoever's running the sound to know exactly where to go for a vocal or for a guitar, etc. Use prefixes to save space. This is very helpful because the scribble strip screen is not very big for each channel. So doing things like V1, V2 for vocals, GTR for guitar, snare drum, SNR, DR for snare drum, things like that. Also, it's helpful to color code your channels. Group vocals, instruments, and other inputs in different colors. For example, have your vocals in a blue color. Have your guitars or instruments in red. If you have separate mics for your drums, do those all green. This can help make things a little easier as well. With just a few minutes of naming your channels, you can help to prevent a lot of frustration down the road. If this helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. Please consider subscribing for more tips that make mixing easier. Got questions or want to see something next? Drop it in the comments. I read and reply to everyone. That's it for today. I'll see you on the next one.